Hello parents and students. This week we will be working on coin values in class. This week I'll send home and upload to Classroom Dojo the week's review and practice assignments. But for right now, I'll go over our review sheet and explain a little bit more in detail. We're learning that there are 4 coins and they are the penny, the nickel, the dime, and the quarter. We know that the penny is the oddball out in what we are learning because it is different in color. It is copper instead of silver. We know that it has President Lincoln on it, and it is 1 cent. We know that the nickel is silver, President Jefferson is on it, and it's worth 5 cents. The dime is the smallest of the silver coins we are learning, with President Roosevelt on it, and it is worth 10 cents. The quarter is the largest of the coins we have learned. It is silver, it has President Washington on it, and it is worth 25 cents. Here is a picture of what we have learned. You have the penny, the nickel, the dime, and the quarter. Remember the characteristics that we have talked about in class to know the difference in them. We know that this symbol here means cents. Throughout the video, I have attached screenshots of videos that we like to sing in class. They are little review songs like our money song right here. They really help the children, and as parents, I encourage you to continue to play them at home. They're really good for helping the child remember and learn. Remember, when counting money, it is easy to count by tens, fives, and ones. When counting, we are adding and subtracting our coins to get a certain value. For example, we are wanting a piece of candy that costs 50 cents. We can pay with this candy with 50 pennies, 10 nickels, 5 dimes, 2 quarters, or we can even mix our coins and have 1 quarter plus 2 dimes, and that'll equal 45 cents. So we can add another nickel, and that'll give us 50 cents. To work on our counting skills, here is another song that they can work with and practice. Now, on to our review. Our review assignment will be posted on SplashLearn, and you go to our classroom. Parents, I have enabled you all access to the class with an email that was provided at the beginning of the school year. So please check your inboxes to finish the setup process so your child can practice the assignments. Below is a screenshot of the directions you will need to follow. Once you click into your email, you will need to enter a classroom. It is called Dumford 1 for Dumford's first grade. I have attached the class code that you will need to enter, and you create your own profile, and you will enter your password. The class password is Dumford First, and our class code is right here. This is very important because this will give you access to the assignments. Once you enabled your accounts, you can go to our class page, which will look like this, and you will go to your assignments. They are like this. There's a count money assignment, the value of coins, and identify the coins. Remember, I can monitor the children's progress, and I can assign extra assignments to those who need help. If you have any questions, just please feel free to contact me. Here's my contact information right here. And just thank you for your time and work hard this week. Bye, kids.